Tirelo, Amahle and Snare they are on makeup room preparing for Izingane Zestembu season 4. Amahle, she was looking unhappy. So Tirelo on cameras, she is pretending like they are on good relationship with Amahle, but off the cameras they are not in good relationship with Amahle. She wants to prove people on social media wrong, the way people were expecting that Tirelo is going to feel the pain the way she was treating Fiokazi. Because at that time, Tirelo came on Impumelel's life. Tirelo doesn't care how Fiokazi feels. She wants to fit in their relationship, to be the third person. But Amahle, when she came in Impumelel's life, Tirelo feels the pain. But Tirelo saw that people on social media, they are starting saying many things about her. They didn't feel sorry for Tirelo. That's people all the time they are waiting that there is someone who is coming. So Amahle is not a pretender, what I saw. Amahle doesn't pretend like they are in good relationship with Tirelo. But deep down she knows that Tirelo doesn't like her anymore. One day she can say it. The way Musamseleku's wives they are doing on season 1, 2, 3. They are pretending on cameras, but off the cameras are not in good relationship. It's like the way Tireloshi is doing to Amahle. But at the side, even Amahle is okay because Amahle wants to be in good relationship with Tirelo. It's okay. But she is going to feel another pain again because it's like a game. Focus was the first person who was, guys, Focus was going through a lot with Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo bring different girls to Focus and introduce to Focus that this is my girlfriend. And now it is going to be happen again to Tirelo. So guys, after that, Amahle, Mpumelelo is going to bring another third wife to Amahle. We want to see how she is feeling because I don't understand women the way we always want to be the last wife. Maybe at that time Tirelo came into Mpumelelo's life. She thinks like she is too special. Tirelo wants to have more attention for Mpumelelo than Fiokazi. If Mpumelelo was with Fiokazi, Tirelo can start complaining, this, that, what, and especially at that time she was pregnant with the son Sengabako. Tirelo was very toxic, guys, was very toxic. But now she knows now that there is another woman. People on social media were waiting for Tirelo because it's like a game to be married on Istanbul. Like Musamseleku's wives, they are playing games to each other. The first person who feels the pain to be with other wives is Macele. And Mayeni came in Musamseleku's life and she knows that Musamseleku is married. But Mayeni feels another pain when Mangwabe came. It's like Mpumelelo's girlfriends. So about Lwandle, I don't understand what's going on. Abongwe is a person who doesn't want drama. What I saw. Guys, we want drama when they say it's their reality shows. But Abongwe doesn't want to bring private relationship on television like other Adam Samseleku's kids. Abongwe and Impilo. It's not about Impilo doesn't have a boyfriend. Mpilo have got a boyfriend, but she is a private person. So that's the way they are. But Mpilo is going to explain to us what happened between their relationship with Musamsele. Mpilo, she is still working on more cars. I don't understand because now we saw that there is nothing she is posting on TikTok because they are saving it for content. We don't know. They are busy shooting. They are busy now shooting diaries. They finished shooting the real content. It's diaries now. They are busy, and DSTV is preparing to have got music, everything to mix because it's a lot of work, guys, to shoot that content. We can see that content played 30 minutes, but it can took about when they shoot that content, it can took a lot of time to prepare everything.